Welcome to another card making tutorial. Keep watching to see how this simple and elegant poppy card with rhinestone accents is made. Shown here and linked below are all of the specific items that you'll need to make this card. The rhinestones are optional, and I've shown them later on in the video where you'll need to add them if you choose to add them to this card design. The first step is to take your pencil and whatever base paper or cardstock you're using and draw out the design. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, switch over to a thin black pen and simply trace over all of the pencil lines that you had just previously drawn. Here I'm using a Faber-Castell pen in size S. Once you have everything outlined with your thin black pen, next, it's time to add a little bit of color to the card. I chose 3 different shades of pink, and I simply just took each different pen color and colored in that little center element of each of the flowers a different color. Once I'd completed that, I switched over to a slightly thicker black pen and colored in the 2 leaves black. You could use your same thin pen that you used to outline to color this in. However, it's just a bit faster if you have a thicker pen, and so I used a thicker version of a Faber-Castell pen for this step. Once I'd completed that, I continued on with the same thicker black pen, and I simply thickened up that kind of outline or line surrounding that color accent in the center, or I guess technically the bottom of each of the 3 flowers. And then I also added in kind of a black dot or colored in kind of a small black section at the very bottom of that color accent. Once you've completed that, you could leave the card just like this if you wanted a rhinestone-free version. However, I had 3 black rhinestones, and so I decided to add them to the card. And so what you will need is you'll need the rhinestones and then of course some glue to glue them on. And so I simply took each rhinestone and I placed them kind of at the base of that color accent in the middle of each of the flowers. And once I'd laid them out and had them where I wanted, I simply just took my fast drying glue and glued them all on. And once the glue is dry, this rhinestone version of the card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this floral poppy card tutorial with rhinestone accents. Thanks so much for watching.